What's going on, everybody? So I need to make some thin rips on the table saw, and I need to make a few of them. So I wanted to show you a quick, easy, accurate way to do that. I'm going to use this thin rip table saw jig by Rockler. There's many ways you can do it. You can probably even make your own one of these jigs. All right, so a quick little rundown of this table saw jig here. It's a thin rip table saw jig. Basically what it is, we got a ball bearing here, got our miter clamp, and this screw here that keeps everything tight. Lets this slide in and out. Here you can see the thin rip jig in action. You ride your one edge against the fence, the other edge rides against the ball bearing. The distance between the ball bearing and the blade is where you're left with your thin strip. It's perfect to do picture frames like this, so let me show you how I do it. So I'll come over here to my picture frame where I've got my miter joint and then splines here cut. I use my biscuit joiner to cut these splines, and I will check the width of them. So 1/8 of an inch here. All right, so what we'll do is we'll bring it right up here and we will bump it right up to the edge of the tooth. Okay, and we can see where we are at. Now that we know we need 1/8, we're gonna back off 1/8. So there's a 1/16 and 1/8. We'll tighten our jig down. Okay, so now our method of cutting it here, we can take our jig, pull it back off our blade while keeping our plate right in the same exact spot we had it. Tighten everything down. Now, our board has been jointed on a face and an edge, so we have a straight edge here, and then I've cut and ripped a straight edge on this side. So what we can do, we'll put our flat edge up against there, bump our fence over until we hit the ball bearing. At the ball bearing, we'll tighten our fence down. All right, now we have quickly and accurately and safely cut 3 thin pieces of wood, just the size we need to fit in our splines. We're good to go.